Hello everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Peter channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Peter.
And I'm Lily. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here with you again today.
It's always a good day when we're here to practice English together.
That's right. So before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click the like button, and share this video with your friends.
Yes, it really helps us a lot, and we love having new friends join our English learning family.
Exactly. So, Peter, what's our topic for today?
Today, we are talking about something everyone loves to talk about: the weather.
Oh, yes, the weather. It's one of the most common topics in English conversation.
That's true. People talk about it every day. It's like a universal language.
Absolutely. You can start almost any conversation by talking about the weather.
So, let's start now. Lily, tell me, what's the weather like today where you are?
Let me look outside the window. It's sunny today. The sky is bright blue and there are no clouds at all.
Wow, sounds beautiful. I love sunny weather.
Me too. It makes me feel happy and full of energy. What about you, Peter? What's the weather like there?
It's sunny here too, but a little hotter than usual. The temperature is around 32 degrees Celsius.
That's quite warm. Perfect weather for ice cream.
Yes, I actually had one this morning, chocolate flavor.
You had ice cream in the morning? That's funny, but I understand. It's so refreshing on a hot day.
Exactly. On sunny days like this, ice cream is my best friend.
So, Peter, what do you like to do on sunny days?
Good question. I like to go for a walk in the park or ride my bicycle.
That sounds fun. I like to go to the beach when it's sunny. I love feeling the warm sand on my feet and hearing the sound of the waves.
Ah, yes. The beach is amazing. Do you like to swim, Lily?
Yes, very much. I'm not a great swimmer, but I enjoy playing in the water and relaxing by the sea.
That's the best part. Lying under an umbrella, reading a book, and listening to the ocean. Perfect.
Yes, that's my favorite kind of day. But sometimes it's too hot.
Oh, yes. When it's too hot, it can be uncomfortable. You start sweating and you just want to stay indoors.
Exactly. That's when I drink a lot of water or make fresh juice.
Good idea. It's very important to stay hydrated on hot days.
Definitely. So we both like sunny weather, but not too hot.
That's right. I think warm weather is the best. Not too cold, not too hot, just perfect.
I agree. It's the kind of weather when you can wear a t-shirt and jeans and feel comfortable.
Exactly. So, we talked about sunny weather. What about cloudy weather?
Cloudy days, when the sky is covered with clouds and the sun is hiding.
Yes. Do you like cloudy weather, Lily?
I don't mind it. Sometimes cloudy days are nice. They're calm and quiet.
That's true. I like cloudy days for walking. It's not too bright, and the air feels cool.
Yes, and you don't need sunglasses.
Exactly. And I think cloudy days make the sky look soft and beautiful, especially before sunset.
That's a lovely thought, Peter. I also like to take photos on cloudy days. The light is gentle and natural.
Oh, I didn't know that. You're a photographer?
Not really, but I enjoy taking photos as a hobby, especially of trees, flowers, and the sky.
That's wonderful. Cloudy days are perfect for that. But sometimes clouds mean something else.
Yes, rain is coming.
Exactly. So let's talk about rainy weather. Do you like the rain?
I like it sometimes. When I'm inside my house, It's cozy. I can listen to the sound of the rain and drink hot tea.
Ah, that sounds relaxing. I love that too. The sound of rain on the roof, pitter patter, is so peaceful.
Yes, it's like music from nature.
Exactly. I like rainy days when I don't have to go anywhere.
Oh, yes, same here. But when I have to go out, oh no, that's another story.
Right. You need an umbrella, raincoat, and waterproof shoes.
Yes, and still you end up getting wet sometimes.
That's true. But I remember when I was a kid, I loved rainy days
Oh, really? Why?
because I used to jump in puddles.
Oh, that's adorable. I did that too. My mom used to say, Lily, stop, you'll get wet. But I couldn't resist.
Exactly the same. Rainy days were full of fun when we were kids.
Yes, they were. And after the rain, everything smells fresh and clean.
True. That smell of wet grass and trees, it's amazing.
Nature's perfume.
That's a beautiful way to say it, Lily.
Thank you, Peter. Rain is important too, right? It helps plants grow.
Exactly. Without rain, we wouldn't have flowers, trees, or food.
So, even though rainy days can be inconvenient, they're also a blessing.
Yes, a blessing from nature.
You know, after the rain, the world always looks brighter.
Yes, the sky becomes clear, and sometimes we see a rainbow.
Oh, I love rainbows. They're so magical, like a promise of something good.
That's true. Rainbows always make people smile.
Yes, they do.
So, Lily, we talked about sunny, cloudy, and rainy weather in part 1. Now let's talk about windy days. How do you feel about the wind?
I like gentle wind. It feels refreshing, like nature is breathing. But strong wind can be a little scary.
Yes, gentle wind is pleasant. It cools you down on a warm day. I enjoy when the breeze moves through the trees and makes a soft sound.
That sound is lovely. It makes me feel calm. But when the wind is very strong, it can cause problems. For example, hats can fly away and umbrellas break.
I always tell people, hold your hat tight. I remember once my umbrella turned inside out because of a sudden gust of wind.
Oh no, that's happened to me too. It's like the umbrella becomes a small sail and you cannot control it.
Exactly. Strong wind can also make it difficult to walk. You have to lean forward to keep your balance.
Yes, and drivers must be careful, especially if they drive near tall vehicles or on bridges. Wind can be dangerous for them.
Good point. The wind can also cause trees to fall during storms. That's why we should always listen to weather warnings.
Safety first. If the weather forecast says strong winds or gale warning, it's best to stay inside.
Right. Now, let's move to a different kind of weather. Snow. Snow is magical, isn't it?
Oh yes, snow is magical. Everything turns white and quiet. I love the way snowflakes fall slowly and make the world look like a fairy tale.
Me too. Snow makes me feel like a child again. I love making snowmen, snowball fights, and snow angels.
Same here. And after playing in the snow, I always warm up with hot chocolate or soup. That's the best feeling. Cold outside, warm inside.
Absolutely. But snow can also cause trouble. Roads become slippery, and people must drive more slowly. Sometimes planes are delayed and schools close.
True. Heavy snowfall can also cause power outages.
That's why people prepare with blankets, food, and battery-powered lights.
Yes, being prepared is important. If you live where it snows often, having a snow shovel and good winter shoes is helpful.
And don't forget to dress in layers. A warm coat, gloves, hat, and scarf. Staying warm prevents you from getting sick.
Great tip! Now, what about storms? Thunderstorms with lightning and thunder can be frightening for some people.
They can be dramatic. Lightning is very powerful, and thunder is loud. It's best to stay indoors and away from windows during a storm.
Exactly. People should avoid using electronic appliances and keep away from tall trees during lightning. Safety rules matter a lot in bad weather.
Yes, and after a storm, sometimes we see beautiful things like clear skies or even a double rainbow.
That's true. Storms can end with a wonderful sight. Nature is full of surprises.
So, Peter, we've talked about many types of weather. Let's give listeners some useful phrases they can practice.
Good idea. Here are short, common sentences you can use. It's a beautiful day today. Looks like rain. The wind is strong. It's freezing outside. It's perfect for a picnic. Bring an umbrella just in case.
Let's say each one slowly so listeners can repeat. Repeat after us. It's a beautiful day today.
It's a beautiful day today.
Looks like rain.
Looks like rain.
The wind is strong.
The wind is strong.
It's freezing outside.
It's freezing outside.
It's perfect for a picnic.
It's perfect for a picnic.
Bring an umbrella just in case.
Bring an umbrella just in case.
Great! Keep practicing these short sentences. They are very useful in daily conversation.
Now, let's do a short quiz to test what we learned. I will describe the weather, and Lily and our listeners should guess which weather it is. Ready?
Ready.
Number 1. The sky is blue, the sun is shining, and you want sunglasses. What's the weather?
Sunny.
Number 2. The sky is full of gray clouds, it's cool, and the light is soft. What's the weather?
Cloudy.
Number 3. Water is falling from the sky. People use umbrellas. What's the weather?
Rainy.
Number 4. The air is moving strongly, leaves are flying, and your hat might blow away. What's the weather?
Windy.
Number 5. White flakes are falling, everything is covered in white, and you can make a snowman. What's the weather?
Snowy.
Excellent! You all did so well.
Before we finish, let's share one final tip. Always check the weather forecast before you go out. It helps you choose the right clothes and plan your day.
Yes, a quick check on your phone or listen to a weather report. It only takes a minute, and it can make your day much easier.
Thank you for learning with us today. We hope you enjoyed part 2 and that now you feel more confident talking about the weather in English.
Don't forget to practice every day. Even a little bit helps a lot. Like, share, and subscribe to Mr. English channel if you haven't already.
We'll see you next time with another fun lesson. Stay safe, stay curious, and enjoy whatever the weather brings.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a wonderful day.